चलो सुनो।
हाँ, शुभ संध्या। हाँ, जो भी होता है। आज मैं खुश किस रहने के कैसे करते हैं तरीके। हमें बड़ों आदर करना चाहिए। बड़े जो काम देते हैं वो करना चाहिए। और हमें खेलना चाहिए। आलसी के तरह बैठने से कुछ नहीं होता, खेलने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है। और धन्यवाद।
Good evening everyone. Today I am going to speak about what are the ways to live a happy life. But before I start, let me present a Sanskrit slok. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। अर्थात सभी खुश रहें, सभी निरोगी रहें, कोई दुख से परेशान ना होए। Now I will start with what are the ways to live a happy life. First, focus on the positive, which we called as सकारात्मक और हकारात्मक। Second, celebrating small victories such as passing a class or getting a job. Third, be creative. Do what you want. As you want to be a doctor, engineer, and you have to be it. Try to achieve that goal. Fifth, accept imperfection, but try to work harder and achieve it later. Sixth, not be stressed of something or feel sick of something, feeling pain. Now I will share some advantage of living a happy life. First, we have good relationships. People are fulfilled to enjoy special occasions. Second, we are less stressed and pain or sickness. Third, people are productive at work. They enjoy their work. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. First of all, I am going to present few sloks. First, काका कृष्ण पिका कृष्ण को भेद पिका काकायो बसंते समुपायते काका पिका पिका। अर्थात कोयल काली होती है और कौवा भी काला होता है, तो दोनों में भेद क्या है। बसंत ऋतु आने पे कौवा कौवा बन जाता है और कोयल कोयल बन जाती है। अर्थात दोनों अपने रूप धारण कर लेते हैं। दूसरा, अतकेन प्रयुक्तोयम पापम चरति पुरुष अनिच्छिन्नपि वार्ष्णे बालादेव नियोजित। अर्थात अर्जुन कहते हैं, हे वार्ष्णे, मनुष्य स्वयं न चाहते हुए भी कैसे प्रेरित होते हैं, उन्हें कैसे खींचा जाए जो वह पाप का आचरण जाने। फिर तीसरा, विद्या ददाति विनयम विनयाद्याति पात्रताम पात्रत्वाद्धनमाप्नोति धनार्धम ततो सुखम। अर्थात विद्या से विनय होता है, विनय से पात्रता होती है, पात्रता से धन आता है, धन से धर्म होता है और धर्म से सुख मिलता है. Now I am going to tell you about some of the ways which you can try to be happy. First, exercising 7 minutes could be enough. Exercising has such a profound effect on our happiness and well-being that it is an effective strategy for overcoming depression. Second, sleep more. You will be less sensitive towards the negative emotions and thoughts. By sleeping more, you get relief from stress, and this could lead to a huge happiness. Third, spend some time outside or in nature. Living near green spaces is associated with better mental health, and by just seeing the scenes or images of nature can also activate the parts of the brain which are associated with happiness, positivity and emotional stability. Fourth, sweating. While just getting sweat on does not cause happiness, it certainly does not contribute towards it. But doing of physical activities can help the body to produce disease fighting proteins, also known as antibodies, and brain produces endorphins which keep the mind calm, and the people and the human feels less stressed, and so he becomes happy. Fifth, writing it down. Writing negative thoughts down. In this method, you only need a paper and pen, and you need to just write the negative thoughts that come into your mind. By doing this, your negative thoughts will by doing this, you can prevent negative thoughts from coming into your mind, and you can have a greater happiness. Sixth है listening to music. Jamming out can also reduce stress and lead to a greater happiness. By just keeping a goal to be happy, by listening and desire to become happy can lead to happiness. Rather than just listening for the sake of listening. और फिर sixth हो गया. Seventh, making a new hobby, getting a new hobby. Not only this is mentally stimulating, but also it is challenging yourself for accepting a for learning a new skill, and this could also lead to happiness. And eighth is meditation. Meditation can be sometimes daunting. There are tons of health benefits of this practice. This increases the focus of people, and researches show that continuously doing of 8 weeks of meditation can lead to calm mind and less stressed mind, and this may make your mind more happy. And now I am going to tell some of the one advantage of happiness. Happiness begins from the moment you do something for others. This could boost your business and can make and can improve your mind, and so your behavior will improve, and you can make stronger friends in your community. It is previously been linked to parental care behavior, which makes the brain to produce endorphins, which are good for your mind, and you will stay more fit. Or physical act. और एक और बता वो one more way to be happy is by sweating. Okay. हाँ नहीं उसका आगे का नहीं हो गया. Thank you.
वो बोलो।
हमको कोई टॉपिक दे दीजिए।
बोलो जो 2-4 लाइन बोलना चाहते हो बोलो।
पापा कोई टॉपिक दे दीजिए।
टॉपिक वही है, बोलो।
उसके अलावा कोई ठीक है। सुसंध्या नहीं, यहाँ उपस्थित गति एक गण को सुसंध्या। ठीक है, पहले शांति मंत्र प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। क्या करें?
आ जाओ। मौन भाषण था उस कैसे ना अपना ये अभी नहीं तो बता सकते हो।
Good evening everyone. First of all, I would like to present a Sanskrit श्लोक. उद्यमेनि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न ही सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः। इसका अर्थ है कि उद्यमेन यानी उद्यम यानी परिश्रम से ही एक कार्य सफल हो सकता है, सिर्फ इच्छा करने से नहीं। जैसे एक सोते हुए शेर के मुख में अपने आप हिरन नहीं पहुंचता, उसको उसके लिए प्रयास करना पड़ता है। Now I will speak about happiness and how to be happy. Happiness can be basically said as a state of mind or a state of being of a person where he is full and both radiates the positive vibes. Happiness is of basic, according to the Bhagavad Gita, happiness can be broadly divided into 3 categories. The first one is the happiness which we obtain from, suppose, being lazy. This is considered to be the lowest form of happiness, as it does not actually provide any nurture or growth to the atma or the soul of the body, but it is just the pleasure which a person feels, just a pleasure which a lot of people feel, and and this type of happiness is supposed to be of no use. The second type of happiness can be said as a temporary happiness. This type of happiness is basically dependent on the gratification or the pleasure of one of your 5 senses. For example, suppose I like to drink orange juice. Why after I drink orange juice, I usually feel happy. Now this type of happiness is said to be temporary happiness, as it is solely dependent upon the pleasure of my sense of taste, and let's say due to some reason that I have drank a lot of orange juice, and after that after some time I will not be able to drink more of it, or will not enjoy it as much as I used to, because I have just actually reached my highest point. So this is the type of happiness which is dependent on a lot of factors, on a lot of external factors which I just mentioned, like the gratification of your senses. The third type of happiness can be said as a happiness which is a permanent happiness. The permanent happiness is said to be a happiness which is obtained when the mind is very peaceful and calm, and Shri Krishna also says to Arjun that you have to basically withdraw your senses, just like a tortoise withdraws his limbs. The person who is able to master this type of technique will basically walk and roam around the world free from all the likes and dislikes, and will basically be detached from any of the hustle and bustle going into the society. Now after that, Sri Krishna even makes a statement that makes a very bold and popular statement about to Arjun, that when the mind is peaceful, sorrow basically withers away. The meaning of this is when your mind is composed, calm and peaceful, and it is free from all the other things, the sorrow or the disappointment or the sadness that is present in your mind basically withers away or goes away, and you become a lot more happier, and that man is said to be a happy man. So in all I can describe happiness as a state of an independent where the person is basically independent from the gratification of his senses, and his mind is completely free and calm and composed. That man is said to be a happy man. Thank you.
Good evening. I am starting with a Sanskrit shlok. Chandanam Shitalam Loke Chandranadapi Chandramam Chandra Chandanyo शीतला साधु संगति, अर्थात संसार में चंदन को शीतल माना जाता है, लेकिन चंद्रमा चंदन से भी शीतल होता है। अच्छे मित्रों का साथ चंद्रमा और चंदन दोनों से अधिक शीतलता देने वाला होता है। Now I will tell you some ways by which we can stay happy. First is exercise more exercising. Positive thinking affects your performance. Trash all your negative thoughts. Don't forget a beauty sleep. Dedicate a little time to helping others. Practice mindfulness. Seventh could be we should be polite to everyone. Focus on the life which you want to live. Treasure your experiences more than your possessions. It is said that happiness is the precursor to success. Thank you so much.
गुड इवनिंग। पहले श्लोक से शुरू करेंगे। प्रथम नाजृति विद्या, द्वितीय नाजृतम कार्य, तृतीय नाजृतः धनम, चतुर्थे किम करिष्यति। इसका अर्थ है प्रथम जिसके पास विद्या ना हो, दूसरा जिसके पास कोई कार्य ना हो, तीसरा जिसके पास धन ना हो, वो चौथा यानी कि वो संन्यास कैसे ले सकता है। Now I am going to discuss about happiness. Happiness is a way of living a healthy life. How to be happy? फर्स्ट मतलब मेरे अकॉर्डिंग पहला कि खाना खाना चाहिए, क्योंकि पेट खुश रहता है तो मन खुश रहता है। फिर दूसरा कि मतलब जब बड़े लोग, टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स, सब फैमिली मेम्बर्स अप्रिशिएट करते, एक्नॉलेज करते और रिस्पॉन्सिबल समझते हैं तो इससे खुशी मिलती है। तीसरा एक्सरसाइज करने से खुशी मिलती है। एक्सरसाइज करने से खुशी मिलती है क्योंकि उससे थोड़ा दिमाग स्ट्रेस फ्री हो जाता है। चौथा मतलब शांति में रहने से खुशी मिलती है, ज़्यादा वो कच नहीं।
चलो भी कच करते हैं।
कच
अभी कच जा रहे हैं।
पांचवा दूसरों की सेवा करने से खुशी मिलती है, जैसे मामा जी की सेवा करते हैं तो उससे खुशी मिलती है, बड़े बूढ़ों की सेवा करने से खुशी मिलती है। थैंक यू।
गुड इवनिंग। सबसे पहले मैं श्लोक बोलूंगी। शोको नाश्यते धैर्य, शोको नाश्यते श्रितम, शोको नाश्यते सर्वम, ना अस्ति शोक समूह रिपु। अर्थात शोक जो है धैर्य का नष्ट करता है, और शोक जो है ज्ञान तथा सर्वस्व का भी नाश करता है, इसलिए शोक जैसा शत्रु कोई नहीं होता। Now I will tell you about how to keep oneself happy. First, the priority is to be given to the health, because if we are healthy, then we will stay happy. And this can be done by eating proper diet, by exercising and meditating, which reduce the stress level, maintaining the positive attitude, and make the environment around ourselves positive, eliminating the toxic people from our life, removing the negative thoughts from our mind, listening to our inner selves, and keep hope alive. Thank you.